Hello everyone, today we are going to learn about digit extraction method under the topic hashing. So what we will learn today, what is digit extraction method, and we'll see the example of digit extraction method. So what is digit extraction method? It is also known as digit analysis. The other name for the digit extraction is digit analysis. It is used with static files. Now what are static files? Static file is all identifiers are known in advance. That is all the values which you want to store inside the hash table are known in advance. For example, so now suppose these 5 values I want to store inside the hash table. These 5 values are known in advance. Before storing, I should know what values I need to store. So that is called a static file. Knowing all the identifiers or values in advance which are need to be stored inside the hash table. So these identifiers are transformed into numbers using radix R, and digits of each identifiers are examined. Every identifier or number will have a digit. Like suppose 1, 2, 3, this x equal to 1, 2, 3. This number has a 3 digits. Digit 1, digit 2 and digit 3. So each digit of the identifier are examined and deleting some of the digits that have skewed distribution. And digits are deleted continuously of the given number until the number of remaining digits is small enough to give the index number or the hash address of the hash table. Now we'll see the example of digit extraction method. Now this is our hash table. Inside this table, I need to store the key values. Hash table has two parts, index and key part. Now index indicates at which index number the key will be stored. So total size of this hash table is 640. Index number are from 0 to 639. So at the most you can store how many numbers? Total 640 numbers you can store because indexes are total 640 only. Any number you can store, but total you can store this many numbers only, 640, not more than that. So suppose table size was given 1000, then you can store total 1000 numbers, that is ranging from 0 to 999. Any number you can store, but at the most total number you can store is 1000 only, you cannot cross. So suppose I want to store now this number 456123789 using digit extraction method. You have to extract the digit. The name given for this method is digit extraction. Why? Because we need to extract the digit from the given number randomly. Now suppose a hash function is like this, 456123789 is the number. I have to extract some of the digits from this number, and that extracted digits become the index number, and that index number, at that index number you need to store your key value. For example, in my case I have extracted digit number 6, digit number 3 and digit number 9. So 3 digits I have extracted from my original number and I got 639 as the index number or the hash address. So 639 is there in my hash table. So at the 639 place I have stored my original number, that is 456123789. So this is an example of digit extraction. You randomly extract the digit from the number and that number becomes your index number. So since there is no proper way of extracting the digits, and also all the digits are not participating in the extraction, so it is the worst method out of all. Other methods like division modulo method, mid square method, fold shifting method, fold boundary method, they are much better than digit extraction method. Here very few digits participates, and that too randomly you have to extract the digits. So this is the worst method out of all the hash function methods. Only few digit participates, not all. Just now I have shown you. Here only out of this big number, only 3 digits participating in calculating the index number, that is 6, 3 and 9. Other digits are not participated and not used only. So you take or extract the required digits whichever you want. So I have extracted 639 and remaining digits you leave as it is. We are not doing anything with those digits. So that is a disadvantage of using digit extraction method. All other methods are better than this method. So this was all about digit extraction method under the topic hashing. Thank you.